Hello everybody, it's Michael, and today we're going to be exploring Pamukkale from the sky. We're actually about to miss that bus, so let's get into it.
Dün zaten kuruldan geldiler. Ben kuruldan adamdan geldim, konuştum, haberine geldim. Yes, come.
There we go.
Bro, come.
Alright, is this where I sign my life away?
Name, surname, birthday, signature.
Okay.
Name, surname, birthday, signature.
What is your name?
Furkan.
Furkan?
We are fly here 600 meters top of the hill,
Okay.
and I think 10 minutes flight time.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
And how many times have you flown?
I start 16 years ago.
16 years ago, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to be in good hands.
Hello everybody. Are ready to fly?
I'm ready to go.
Perfect.
Okudum buna la.
Çok büyük oğlum o numarası.
Are you ready, bro?
I'm ready.
Bye bye.
Just keep running, okay? This is important for
Okay.
me.
Can I just fix my helmet real quick?
Run.
Çok güzel. Run.
awesome.
Do you think?
That was awesome. That was awesome. I'm glad I got that experience to see Pamukkale from the sky.
Hey, high five. Bye bye.
All right, thank you very much.
Nice holiday, bro.
All right, yes. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. We just jumped off of a hill and flew over Pamukkale. That was absolutely epic. So now I think I'm gonna walk back to those hot springs, and we're gonna go explore those a little more. Now we are about to walk all the way to Pamukkale Hot Springs from our hotel, which is probably gonna be about 5 miles or more, but it'll be a good little journey for the day. So let's get on it. You know what's funny is I can get a little bus thing to take me exactly to where I'm going for like $1, but I'd prefer walking, you know? I get to see more things. Why not? Nice little Turkish family actually stopped to see like if I needed help because I'm walking on the side of the road. Because I have miles ahead of me before I get to anything. That is where I'm going. Alright, we are almost there. Just up this little hill and we're there. It almost looks like it's a path. Like an old path. It could possibly be. Look at this. We stumbled upon what could possibly be some ancient Roman ruins. Yeah, there's another one. Another box. And here we are. And here we are. So there is a bunch of ancient Roman ruins here in Pamukkale. So why is Pamukkale white? Deep underground, there's a large amount of water that's heated by volcanic lava. And when the water dissolves, it becomes pure calcium. And once all that calcium is pushed to the surface, it attaches to the soil and forms white calcium and is called travertines. The Pamukkale Springs, you have to take off your shoes to come out here, but completely worth it. This is so beautiful. are standing in the ancient Roman city of Hierapolis. Hierapolis was actually at its peak between the 2nd and 3rd century AD, around the time Emperor Constantine wanted to create a new Christian Rome, and he moved the Eastern Roman Empire's capital to Constantinople. And Hierapolis, having many churches, became an important religious center for the Eastern Roman Empire. Found something that dates all the way back to the Roman times. Alright guys, and that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.